Ultra-Shear's metric spiral mortising router bits put the ease and accuracy of loose tenon joinery into any shop with a plunge router. The 5 available sizes match the mortise dimensions of the popular Festool DF-500 Domino joining machine: 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10 millimeters. Festool Dominoes create strong joinery conveniently. The Domino machine is fast and easy to use, but a little on the pricey side. Ultra-Shear metric mortise bits cut mortises perfectly sized for dominoes, using any plunge router, even a cordless palm router with a plunge base. You just need a pair of edge guide style fences. You can make a pair from scraps in your shop, or use your router's edge guide on one side and a shop-made fence on the other. When you pair the metric spiral mortising bits with Ultra-Shear metric half-round bits, you can take loose tenon joinery to another level. Want a bigger tenon than a domino? Make it any size you want, and cut a mortise to match perfectly. We manufacture the metric spirals right here in Strongsville, Ohio, and sell them direct to the woodworker. No middleman markups and no ocean voyages, just great bits at a great price. Ultra-Shear metric spiral mortising bits, expanding your loose tenon joinery options in all sorts of directions. Order yours today. Have an idea for a router bit you would like to see in the Ultra-Shear lineup? Let us know with an email to mailroom@woodpeck.com.